Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2007 Chevrolet Trailblazer SS. 395 horsepower from a 6-liter V8 right through a 4-speed automatic, but it's got a big V8 in it. It's also, holy crap, it still has the factory plastic on the kick plate. That's pretty cool. For 189,000 miles, the fact it's lasted that long is pretty darn impressive. It has a lot of really weird, well, for lack of a better term, quirks and features. It's got rear entertainment, which is kind of crazy to think about. It's 2-row, which whatever. All the controls, these seats are really comfortable. This is where the seatbelt is, which is very kind of odd. Your heated seats, you have the back only, you have this. Memory seats, power pedals. This is weird. 3 available speeds, or 3 settings for the rear wiper. Never seen that before. I don't think this is factory, but if it is, that's pretty darn. I've never been in one of these before, so I don't know. Oh god, it still has all the original. Oh my god. That's so cool. Oh, see? I did it. Oh, where'd you go? I'm sitting there reaching for the dang seatbelt. Alright. That is one of my favorite feelings, that old GM 4-speed go-go-gonk. So, a muscle SUV, what seems like a very common idea now, wasn't back in the early 2000s. This was made essentially as a direct competitor to the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 8. Really, really cool. And honestly, very ahead of its time. Obviously, the Trailblazer was killed off. GM hasn't really made anything like this since that I can think of. And if you say the Blazer RS is similar to this, you're an idiot. I do like that car though. I hate to say it, I like it. Yeah. They haven't made a muscle SUV. Don't say the Yukon. God, please don't say the Yukon. Jeep, however, has carried on making the Grand Cherokee SRT 8, the SRT 8 392, the Trackhawk. Yeah, Jeep has eaten GM's lunch. Ford has just recently done the Explorer ST. I mean, you could also kind of, this is a stretch, say this is the American version of the Porsche Cayenne, because that was a sport SUV. That's a very big stretch though. Oh, it's just such a unique experience because it's got a big slushy 4-speed and a big torquey 6-liter. It sounds like a boat. Whoa, yes. All right. Oh yeah. This is sweet. I should have went. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.